Welcome to day 9, Cork and Swab. Cork and Swab. So I just finished playing. So the first thing you want to do is take off your reed, always, and put this away carefully in its case. Which, if you have a reed guard, these are great. I usually put numbers on the bottom to show which is my best reed. And you just slide it in like that. Or if you have this kind of case, slide it in here. Always protect the top. Or this kind of case, tip it in and don't slide it in too far because it'll be difficult to get it out. Then you'll have to use a pen to get it out. Okay? So take care of your reed first. And then swab your instrument. I was always taught to go from the top to the bottom, but then you're allowing the moisture to be dragged through the whole instrument. So if you send it through the bottom and come out the top, that's what you want to do. And if you turn it upside down, that's very dangerous because the ligature could get crushed. And you don't want that to happen because then you'll have a hard time getting it straightened back out, which it's possible, but really a pain, and you might as well get a new ligature. Okay? And then the corks, when you assemble each time, you don't want to have to work that hard to get it on and off. So the corks, you want to grease every time. So cork and swab. Always grease your corks and always swab every time after you play. Thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up if it helped you. Ask questions on Bam Potato Instagram with requests. Have a great day.